What's up guys, it's the Foreigner. Today we're gonna do something really interesting on the Tesla Model X 2020 Ludicrous Performance version. We're gonna have a Miltech Sport active exhaust sound system installed by the guys in EMD SX. So let's see how the end product is gonna look like, and especially how it's gonna sound like. Okay guys, so we are now here at the AMD Tuning in SX waiting for the Tesla to have this Miltech Sport sound system fitted. I'm in the waiting room and I want you guys to see that. So how cool is that to have such thing in a waiting room? Unfortunately it's not operational because of the COVID situation, so I can't play with it, but it's really nice just to have it there.
A few moments later.
I can actually hear it. Ooh, that sounds nice. So it's on idle, doing boom 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 boom. Listen to that sound.
Where's he coming from?